Okay, here we are at the beach. We're at Ventura County Beach. You can see him flying a kite. And then Norton can pan around and show you the kite. Turn around, Norty. No, the kite's here. Turn around. No, the kite. Turn around, the kite.
See?
So we actually did get it flying.
He didn't want to fly the damn kite
No,
because it was.
We're totally self-sustained here.
Oh no! And that's over the highway, over the railroad tracks and the highway. That's where the kite's about to go down. It's on its last. I think this is the last time Orville and oh, it's in the street. Okay, so watch out. Watch this one. Let's see what's going on. This is just like Jackass. See, in the street, as you can see how close they were to getting bye-bye to the kite.
Turn off!
Let me turn it off. Here, punch the button.
Now I'm gonna throw you the stick.
Did it turn off?
Just hit the button again.
With the wheel?
The same button. No.